Hi everyone, thanks for checking out my channel. I'm going to have a look now quickly at oil WTI. Similar to natural gas, there's not much more to say compared to my previous analysis. I'm still bearish on oil in the mid or like medium term, since we're having many things that are actually putting that price down, and there's not much to actually take it up. Of course, we got that news about the vaccine that did actually make the price shooting earlier last week. There was a perfect opportunity to actually start reloading short position. If we look, I think it was quite obvious here on the daily chart. Just get rid of this. But that line here, that was the famous trend line that I'm having since the start of that rising wedge. It's been perfectly respected once again, so the price did actually shoot on the vaccine news to the upside and got rejected right on the trend line, so it was perfect entry to actually short the market on that rejection. If we zoom in, we can see it did form, I think it's more obvious on the 1 hour, it did form inverted cup and handle that did break. That level at 41 was really important to see if we could actually sustain any momentum to the upside. Did break down, got stopped at 40, slightly above 40, and now we are making some sort of another inverted cup and handle. If you look there, the target, the first one I had was 39, was the previous figure. I believe we're going there, but we could actually see the price moving slightly lower. Should we actually break that level? So we're having also a similar configuration here that's actually happening at the moment. Very small handle here. There's really lack of buyers right now. We did broke a very key trend line as well here. That's been working quite well since the low at 34. One touch here, a second one there, a third one here. It got really close here and close here again, but did break last week and retesting that level that I believe will be very much critical. So that would be the waterline here, and to the upside the limit I believe is now 41, very unlikely to break higher. We're having the trend line as well, so a stop loss will sit somewhere probably, if possible, above 42, because they will take something dramatic to actually move the price that high. But should we actually break 40, now we are talking about something a little bit bigger in terms of the target. So I'm still having 39 as a target, but now we are more talking about 37 potentially. Should we actually break that level? There's a couple of support, at 30, just below 39, the lower end of that divergence here, the 1 hour, so that's peak, dropping there. So potentially 38, 37 will be the target. We'll probably close short there and look if there's any buy opportunity. But at this point, there's really not much positive, I think, for oil in the coming weeks. Of course, within a week or some, probably 10 days from here, probably be safer not having short position because of the OPEC meeting at the end of the month. Don't believe it will change much, but should they actually announce anything about the delay, about the cut, that will definitely fuel the price and go definitely higher. So depending where we are, if by then we're sitting at 37, then we'll be definitely not worth holding short then, and just sell it, potentially entering long to just trade that meeting and the outcome, and definitely reopen short when we'll get back against some resistance zone. So yeah, that's the plan. Moving short definitely on WTI, probably adding to position should we actually start breaking and get some momentum, but I think 37 is probably for now a reasonable target. The big target is unchanged. If we look at the daily chart, origin of that divergence here is still pointing at that move here to show 32, so either it will stop at 34 or 32 as a question. I believe 32 is in the card. Should we actually see the COVID-19 getting worse, or during winter we could see definitely some delay with travel resuming, returning to normal, or all these things will definitely put a lot of pressure on this market. So yeah, that's about it for now. I'll check this midweek. Until then, I wish you safe trading and I speak to you soon. Cheers, bye.